Hey guys and dolls, well it's Tipster Tuesday as you know, and so I thought I would do my yummy oatmeal recipe. So you just need to get a microwave safe bowl, and I do about a third of a cup of oats. The recipe calls for half a cup of dry measure, but it's too much for me. So I just put a third of a cup of oats in my microwave safe bowl, and then about a little bit more than a half a cup of water. Again, if you're going to use a half a cup of dry, you need a full cup of water, but I don't need that here. So just pour it on into the oats and let it just sit there for a second. And then I particularly like to add the following to my oatmeal, and it's just regular oatmeal. Don't use the envelope kind of oatmeal. And on the back, if you're not sure, it tells you how to cook it on the back specifically. You can add salt if you want. I never do, and I do mine with water, not milk. Some people like it with milk and stuff, but go ahead, and this is what I add in there is some raisins. These are just regular old raisins, not old, but just, old like ye old raisins. And sprinkle some in there. And I've always liked warmed raisins and cooked raisins, like in cinnamon rolls. And yeah, getting a third handful there. Have a little oatmeal with your raisins, woman. Yeah, put that lid on there, please. You're done already. Here's some ground cinnamon. As y'all saw in one of my videos, I go through this stuff a lot. And I don't measure it. I just put, cinnamon's good for you and I like it. So there we go. Just kind of cover the top of the oatmeal. And then I like to put the brown sugar in it before I cook it. And so there's about a teaspoon. Now I like to use brown sugar versus white because it has a little bit more nutritional value. And yeah, I like sugar. Can you tell? Going on the third teaspoon there. So I'm having, let's see, brown sugar raisin with a side of oatmeal. Anyway, stir that monstrosity up there and make sure all the oats and everything are well coated. Um, Again, in the microwave safe dish. Throw it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is the fastest, best fast food thing you could ever do. So there it is, cooked, and just kind of stir it up. I probably overcooked this a little bit. It's usually not that gummy. But, if that happens, just add a little water to it. Not a big deal, and just warm it up. But as you see, the more I stir it, the more it gets to the consistency that I like. So, here's the oatmeal can. It's just, again, the regular, just store brand generic oatmeal. And, yeah, like y'all can, whoa, hello. It's, yeah, shaking the camera a little bit. Like y'all can really read this. But anyway, it's about 2.5 grams of fat. 0.5 saturated, no trans, 1 polyunsaturated. There's 4 fibers, 2 soluble, 2 insoluble, and less than 1 gram of sugar and 5 grams of protein. So there it is. Nom, 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 nom.